I got me some long there on Amazon, just over that 32.54, the area I was looking at. Got a nice little pullback into it. Got me long, took a little profits, and then I just added a second strike. So I got a full 1R on this thing. So 75 will be next target I'm looking at. And then after that, really 3,300 is my next target, right? So I'm gonna pay myself a couple here, just a little bit here, just kind of get I got a full 1R across 2 different strikes here. So I can leave one strike completely full size, one, good full size strike, and pay myself on the other one on the way up. So I just took $3 on that. I got a $3 pop again on that. That's it. I took it out. I took off one strike completely. So I'm gonna take some profits here, man. 76. We just hit that first target, right? 75. Taking profits here. I got orders set out. I've got filled a little bit more. I have myself down to half size, and I would love to hold on to the rest of this. Maybe take the rest off, or 3 more off at 90, and hold some overnight. Yeah, I just got paid, boy. Paid myself, and then I'm holding some for overnight. And already, I mean, these things are up $10. So I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And if it keeps going overnight, we're back at 33.50 tomorrow. It's gonna be one hell of a payday, and it's only